Hello friends, this is Lineha Junsu. Welcome to my channel that is all about enhancing what you have. Today I'm reviewing Missha Modern Shadow Glitter Prism in the shade Sunny Prism and Picnic Prism. It comes in square foiled packaging made of plastic. It doesn't have any English instructions on it, which can be a little bothersome for a few people, but thankfully I can read Korean. Both these shades came broken and I wasn't even refunded. Well, that shows how weak these shadows are. It claims to be a long-lasting glitter eyeshadow packed with minuscule glitter particles formulated with silicone gel, making it glide effortlessly over lids while also boosting a strong adhesion. Apply with a brush for buildable sheer coverage or with your fingers to pack in the highly pigmented formula. Contains prism jewel complex and hologram pearl to create a lustrous look from any angle. Picnic Prism has bright pink base glitters infused with gold and blue glitters. These shades are shimmery shades with a buttery texture. Sunny Prism has an orange base with gold glitters. It glides on smoothly and looks like the skin is glowing from within. So pretty. It gets removed easily by water, makeup wipes, etc. It does not leave a stain on the skin at all, and I love that because I prefer makeup that's easy to remove. I'm going to apply primer to my eyes to prep my skin. This step is important if you have very dry or oily eyelids, as it balances the skin for makeup application. Now I'm applying a beige shadow, so the darkness of my lids is muted down. And you can see the shadow color better. See? It is working. Oh, by the way, can you please like my video if you're enjoying my video so far? Your like will help me a lot. I'm using the same base shadow on a pencil brush and applying it to my ichthyosaur area. Now I'm going to apply the Picnic Prism on my entire eyelid with a finger instead of a brush, as the eyeshadow is already damaged. It is blending in so well. These shades look chunky, but they are shimmer eyeshadows with tiny glitters when applied. It is not very pigmented, it is a sheer base color and the overall color shift is so bewitching. Yeah. Now, I'm applying Sunny Prism on my inner corners and under eye area. These shadows are not powdery in case anyone is wondering. Now, I'm using a flat brush and building up the Sunny Prism so that orange color shows a bit more. There is a bit of fall off, but these shades are sheer, so it isn't noticeable anyway. Now I will apply the mascara to complete the look. Missha Glitter Prism shadows are quite shiny without being extravagant. These are super pretty in the light, especially under studio and sunlight. Glitter Prism shades are multi-dimensional and it changes colors from different angles. It can also be used as an eye topper since the base is semi-transparent. It looks fantastic on its own or mixed with matte shadows. As you can see, it needs to be built up to have a more concentrated color, which means it is for a day-to-day look to a party look at the same time. These shadows are very long-lasting. That is how it looks after 5 hours. The shine and sparkle of these shades are still in good condition. Wow! Its adhesive power is really strong. I will rate these Missha Glitter Prism eyeshadows a 5 by 5 and I will undoubtedly recommend them to all of you. These are great shades for those Instagram glossy eyes look. I hope you all liked this video. If you have any questions, then feel free to comment and I will answer everything.